Hello, chickadees. Listen to that gentle little crack. Oh my, that's the magic. And Bellamy, we're using that modern baking technique this time. Aha! One bite and kapow! You're in pistachio paradise. We're starting with our bright green craquelin here, chickadees. Isn't it cheerful? We made the choux last night, and I'll show you that in just a little bit. Mix in your flour just until everything comes together, nice and simple. 3 drops of leaf green and just a touch of yellow. Much brighter than the lighter version we tried, wouldn't you say? A lightly dampened countertop helps the parchment stay in place. Such a tidy trick. Roll it ever so thin, about 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch. Lovely and delicate. And off it goes for a quick nappy poo. In the freezer for about 15 minutes. By the glitter of all the clothes, it's just out of reach. My magic bottle. Ooh, la 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 la. Ooh. Sugar. Maybe it's playing hard to get. Or maybe it's already found a better ride. The paper peels away so easily now, and you'll have beautifully crisp edges on each cut. Place a little round of craquelin on top of each frozen choux disc. Yes, chickadees, this clever modern bakery technique gives you perfectly even puffs every time. No special piping skills required for that pastry chef finish. Better ride? That's impossible! Here, come on, little bottle. Honey, if it's gonna come out, it'll have to come out and razzle-dazzle me.
Try to fly.
We made the choux the traditional way last evening. Our little puffs begin quite simply, but just wait until they rise and surprise us. This part gives your arm a bit of a workout. Stir until it comes together, then let it cook just a moment longer. Let it cool a bit, just a few minutes. Patience makes all the difference. Add in your eggs one at a time, scraping the bowl as you go. And look there, see how the dough forms a perfect, gentle V? That's just what we're hoping for. Why did the bottle refuse to leave the twins? Because it finally found someone with lower standards than us. A dampened offset spatula keeps everything from sticking. So helpful. And they'll keep quite nicely in the freezer for months. A friend gave us that lovely Tupperware container. How charming! Let them freeze until firm. Then you may remove them from the molds to save space. Oh, look, they look so cute. Oh, they look so cute. Yeah. Hey, I have standards. I just don't slow down long enough to check them. My compass says this way, which means it's definitely the wrong way. Yeah, that way. Maybe, I don't know. Could be. We bake in 2 gentle stages. First at 400 degrees. Oh, we nearly forgot. Just a few spritzes of water on the pan. It creates a bit more steam and helps them rise. After that, no baking, chickadees, or they may deflate. Now we lower the oven to 350 degrees to finish baking. Stay sharp! We're creating confusion, not hosting a circus. Oh, la la! Speak for yourself. I've been emotionally juggling all day. Maybe we let them succeed. Absolutely not. I'm just starting to enjoy this. Let them cool for a short while. Oh dear, our bright green crown of crunch has spread just a touch. Big Val may have rolled it a wee bit thick, but no worries at all. It lifts right off so easily. And back into the oven they go for a few minutes to dry the inside and make them perfectly crisp. Sugar? If it's here, it's hiding like a glitter ninja. Oh, shucks, Glitzabelle. Planet Fruit gift shop? What? A creamy pistachio filling. Smooth, dreamy, and just a touch fancy. It truly helps to have another mixer nearby. Makes things ever so efficient. And there it is, ready to fold. Gently now, reach down and bring it around. Turn the bowl and repeat. It doesn't take much at all. Place it into a piping bag with a small opening, just right for filling. Oh my! Baby, I think the universe just wants you to dance with the chaos. Then I'll dance, but I will find it. Every lovely dessert deserves a little surprise, chickadees. We happen to have a bit of raspberry gel left over from our pistachio raspberry garden cake. Click on that link there to watch it next. A spoonful of jam will do beautifully as well. Just a little burst of joy hiding inside. Dad burn it! I have leg invasions with more legroom than this. Oh, relax. If we survive this mission, I'm filing a complaint with whoever designed this tin can. You're taking up all the room. If you kick this shit one more time. Melt a little white chocolate with warm cream, and now we add a delicate drizzle. A soft crisscross like a ribbon dancing across the top. We're serving these on a golden platter, just like the patisseries. And now the crown. Oh my, that's rather lovely, isn't it, chickadees? I will personally demonstrate gravity using you.